Well, hello and welcome back, everyone. So you're probably wondering, why is he making a pool video when it's fall? Well, that's because the pool pump broke, so we had to get a secondary pump down there. But none of the hoses fit. And this SGL will be available down in the description, just in case you have the same exact pool and pump, which is highly unlikely, but it's there if you need it. So it went through like 3 iterations, or 4. The first one was kind of like a test piece. It didn't latch onto the hose and it wasn't big enough and didn't stop stuff, so that one didn't work. But then we went off to the next one that had a closed stop, but it didn't quite fit the hose. And the next one wasn't big enough, but had a ridge at the bottom, and then water would soak through the PLA itself, so we had to print it out as a full piece. And as you can kind of see here, is it has no leaks in it now, but then I think I have a video here where the water's just pushing out the sides, and that's because it was, even though it was 40% infill, it would seep through the walls. When it would seep through those walls, it would leak water, and the pool wouldn't last very long.